Right now I'm going to order one in Amazon. So I just put the windshield wiper blades for 2012 Nissan Juke. And we've got tons of products here. This one is a good too. This is just $11. Bosch. And this one, the Renex. This one is the bigger one, the 22 inches. So we're going to check the 14 inches blade. So we're going to click that, and we can choose the 14 inches, which is just $11. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your windshield wiper for your 2012 Nissan Juke. This one is the smaller one, the 14 inches windshield wiper. So first things first, the engine should be turned on, and then once it's turned on, you can turn it off, and then pull this windshield wiper towards you, so it will be on the service mode or the service setup. And once it's on the setup or service setup, you can just pull it out like that, and then you can pull this tab. Just need to pull it out like that, then you can easily move it. So once you pull the tab, you can just downward, because this the hook like that. I just broke it. Yeah. The old one that we have is a Duralast, which have this mechanism. But this one that we're going to install is the new one, and this one is really easy. You just need to put the hook here. Right there. Super easy. Once you're done hooking it up, you can just put it like that, and then you can try. It's good.